Love big machines? This video is made just for you. Watch now, top 100 amazing heavy equipment machines working at another level. The TLF Aircore is a fire engine built for battle. With turbine power spraying 10,000 liters of water as a fine mist, it controls wildfires with force and finesse. Add a self-protection system and advanced controls, and this machine doesn't just fight fire, it intimidates it. When flames rise, Aircore brings the storm. The mighty teeth of the KIBAG excavator effortlessly tear through old pavement, clearing the rails with incredible speed and power. This beast of a machine quickly dismantles the surface, using its impressive strength to make light work of even the toughest materials. Introducing the Amadus 9990 Peanut Combine, an agricultural powerhouse built for peak productivity. This machine is the result of a 20-year collaboration between Amadus Industries and John Deere. Under the hood, it boasts a 90-liter John Deere Tier 4 engine, delivering 333 horsepower, turbocharging, and air cooling. Inside the cabin, comfort takes center stage, making you feel like royalty while working the fields. With its incredible maneuverability, your harvest is always in safe hands. This Carot Harvester brings speed, precision, and power to the field. With a 120 HP engine and auto-sorting system, it pulls, cleans, and loads carrots with care. At up to 5 miles per hour, it handles big harvests, while keeping roots flawless. Your carrots won't just be fresh, they'll be magazine cover perfect. Modern sugarcane harvesters come loaded with advanced features that boost efficiency. One key function is their ability to cut the cane stalks at the base, while stripping off the leaves, all in one go. This speeds up the harvesting process significantly. Many models also include systems that measure and weigh the harvested cane on the spot, helping farmers keep accurate records and improve yield tracking. The Trilo TL23 is your ultimate vacuum on wheels. Whether it's leaves, branches, or debris, this container gulps it all down, leaving a spotless field, park, or orchard. Just hitch it to a tractor, fire it up, and watch the cleanup magic begin. Quick, powerful, and reliable yard maintenance just got a big upgrade. Installing the Veja Mate wind farm in the North Sea is an impressive engineering achievement. Located 130 kilometers north of Mschavon, in the German section of the North Sea, the 400-megawatt project involved the design, procurement, fabrication, transportation, and installation of massive foundations. These foundations, which include monopiles and transition pieces for 67 wind turbines, were carefully designed with scour protection to ensure long-term stability. Xint Industry brings serious innovation to heavy machinery. Known for powerful excavators, loaders, and construction tools, they blend durability with modern design. These machines are built to handle brutal workloads with ease, boosting efficiency on any job site. If you want tech that works as hard as you do, Xint delivers. The Richard Western system offers a revolutionary approach to safely gripping and transporting top clap bales. Using an automatic bale locking mechanism, it ensures that bales stay securely in place during transport. Special clamping mechanisms compress the top of the bales, preventing any shifting or falling, making it a reliable solution for handling bales with ease and safety. The Schwerlast XL isn't just a silage bucket, it's a feed handling champion. Built with stainless steel and monster capacity, it grabs and lifts massive volumes with ease. Whether loading feed or moving piles, it turns any tractor into a heavy-duty machine. Long-lasting, durable, and tough as nails. The Horsch Leeb P2280 is a high-tech self-propelled sprayer, built for precision farming. It delivers accurate application of crop protection products even when moving fast. With individual nozzle control and automatic boom height adjustment, it helps reduce overlap and drift. This smart setup not only cuts down on chemical use, but also supports better crop yields and more efficient farm management. The Belaz 75135 isn't just a dump truck, it's a monster made for mining. Weighing 360 tons with a 496-ton payload, it hauls like a champ through the harshest conditions. Its massive tires dwarf most vehicles, and its frame swallows entire fleets of gear. Built for extreme loads and brutal terrain, it doesn't blink, it just gets the job done. The Terex RH30F excavator, paired with its powerful XR80 ripper, is ready to take on the toughest challenges. This machine is a true powerhouse, offering both strength and versatility to operate in even the harshest conditions. The XR80 ripper transforms the RH30F into a cutting-edge tool for breaking through hard rock, opening up access to resources that were once out of reach. The Bigfoot 5 isn't just a truck, it's a legend on wheels. Standing tall with tires bigger than most people, this monster dominates the road like a superhero. Every start feels like a mini earthquake, turning heads and stealing the show. If you think you've seen it all, wait till Bigfoot 5 rolls by. It's loud, proud, and absolutely unstoppable. How about adding some magic to your fieldwork? Meet the Elho V-Twin 600 pickup tedder, a true game changer that makes your crops dance to its rhythm. With unmatched ease and precision, this field powerhouse brings speed, power, and yes, elegance to every move. The V-Twin 600 transforms harvesting into an art form, giving you more time, energy, and, of course, money. Ready to elevate your farming game and turn your work into a real spectacle? Sleipnir is a sea giant like no other. As the world's largest semi-submersible crane vessel, it can lift up to 20,000 tons with ease. At 721 feet long and 344 feet wide, it handles offshore megaprojects like a pro. When Sleipnir enters a port, heads turn, because nothing says power like this floating titan. Unlock with the Menzi Muck M545, a versatile excavator designed to conquer any terrain. Featuring a variable geometry chassis, this machine thrives in environments where traditional excavators struggle to reach. Its unique, adaptable legs allow it to effortlessly navigate rocky slopes, swamps, and other tough landscapes. Powered by a robust 157 horsepower engine and capable of reaching a digging depth of up to 16.4 feet, the M545 ensures top-tier productivity, no matter the challenge. The Chipspreader lays down gravel and road materials, like an artist with asphalt. With precise, even coverage across wide areas, it speeds up construction, while ensuring road durability. Simple to operate and built to last, this machine transforms rough surfaces into smooth rides. It's the backbone of better roads. This machine is built to clear aquatic weeds and debris from lakes, rivers, and backwaters. Operated by a skilled crew, it moves through the water collecting unwanted growth and floating waste. Once gathered, the material is loaded onto a barge or support vessel for proper disposal, helping to keep waterways clean and navigable for both people and wildlife. This ripper cuts deep, real deep. The Collier Miller single Tyne deep ripper breaks through compacted soil with ease, leaving it loose and ready for planting. It's like giving your field a breath of fresh air. Built tough and sharp, it slices so clean that even earthworms applaud. Say goodbye to hard ground and hello to happy roots. Allow me to introduce the Movax SG, the true star of any piling project. This machine doesn't just handle piles, it does so with a level of precision and efficiency that's hard to beat. Equipped with an advanced control system, the Movax SG can perfectly manage pile installation, ensuring flawless results, without causing unnecessary damage to the surrounding ground. Whether you're working with reinforced concrete, wood, or steel piles, this machine makes the entire process as smooth and straightforward as possible. The Krokodil Plus is no ordinary grapple, it's the muscle behind every silage job. With rugged tines and a powerful clamp, it scoops and holds large volumes of feed, straw, or waste with ease. Built to last and designed for high-efficiency loading, it turns any tractor into a true feeding machine. The heavy-duty Power 48 professional olive picking comb, equipped with a 480W brushless motor, makes harvesting easier and more profitable while preserving the tree, its fruit, and branches. This productive tool allows you to harvest up to 8 times faster than manually. Its ergonomic design offers exceptional comfort and ease of use, a telescopic height range from 7.2 to 9.8 feet. For power, multiple battery options are available, for up to a day's autonomy. The Nul Group isn't just a name, it's a force in marine construction. From deep-sea dredging to offshore energy projects, their fleet handles the toughest jobs on water and below. Built for precision, scale, and sustainability, the Nul delivers massive results where land meets sea. When the ocean needs engineering, they answer the call big time. The A is a compact lifting system with a 1-ton capacity, designed to provide smooth, precise lifts up to 20 feet. Operating on an electric drive, it's incredibly easy to use. The operator simply plugs the system in, sets the desired height on the control panel, and initiates the lift. The design ensures stability and safety, eliminating any risk of the load falling during the process. At American Crystal Sugar in Crookston, sugar beet piles rise like mountains. Drone views reveal a production scale that's jaw-dropping, organized, clean, and ready for processing. This isn't just farming, it's industrial-level harvesting at its finest. From field to factory, they keep America sweet.
Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe now so you won't miss out on more awesome content. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, feedback, or just say hi. Hit like and share if you enjoyed it. Thank you for your amazing support.